So I want to anchor this power strip to my workbench, and I want to line up my holes. I want to do it the easy way. Now the hard way would be to put the screws in the slots and try and balance them and press the point of the screw into the front of the bench. That's pathetic. That's the wrong way. The easy way is get you a piece of painter's tape. Put it right on the back of the power strip. Next, poke your holes where you want the screws to end up. Then gently peel off the painter's tape so you peel it off in one piece. Next, we're going to position the power strip where we want it to go. Once we have that position in mind, then we're going to bring up our painter's tape and apply it right to the workbench. Don't let it curl and tear like I just did. Right there. That's perfect. Next, you want to drive your screws right in those holes. And then peel off the tape and put on your power strip. It's just that easy. For more helpful videos like this one, click the image on your screen now. I'll see you in the next video.